Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How was
So,
your day so far?
yeah, it's going great and going fantastic. So, what about you? And how are you?
I'm also doing good and thanks for asking this. My Sunday is also good. Yes.
So, ma'am, we are meeting for the very first time. So, I would like to know about yourself something. So, could you please tell me?
I think there are some kids also.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, all kids always around me.
It's okay
So
because I can hear their voices.
yeah, yeah. Keep silent, everybody. Yes,
It's
okay.
okay. It's okay. It's okay. There are
Okay,
no
carry on,
problem.
man.
Okay. I'm Tanya and I'm connecting with you from Jaipur. I'm a homemaker. That's all about me. It's your turn.
Yeah, thanks for giving this golden opportunity to say something about myself. My name is Jitendra. I'm talking to you from Uttar Pradesh,
Mhm.
and I am a YouTuber as well as an English learner. And also, I have created YouTube channels where I upload English conversation and English content videos on my YouTube channels, so that viewers and English learner can get ideas from my videos, and I can also get ideas from their opinions and thoughts. So that's all about me.
Okay. Do you believe in God?
Yeah, of course, I believe in God.
Okay, I
You
believe. I
know, we
also
are the.
believe
I
in God.
think that I think we are the creatures of God. So I think each and every individuals of this planet and this creature should believe in God, especially human being.
Mhm. Okay, there is a very special character, Lord Krishna.
Instruction, yeah,
Lord Krishna. There are so many qualities in Lord Krishna.
yeah,
Can you elaborate this? Which thing?
yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Actually, you know, the Krishna is almighty and omnipresent. So people, that's why worship him. And you know, he has done many things in his life
Mm-hmm.
for human being, for others. You know, despite living in Mathura, and you can say that I'm unable to recall that things. He has done many things, and you know the Mahabharat, and you know he was the main character of Mahabharat Yudh.
Yes,
So and
yes,
Mahabharat, he plays a very important role in favor of Pandav. So I think that against evils, against bad things, he plays a very important role. So that's why the people worship him, to Lord Krishna. So
there
his
are so
roles
many.
was very very special and very crucial for the especially Pandav.
Yes,
Yeah,
and he was always stand with, you can say, Pandavs. And there are so many stories we have heard.
yeah, yeah. So
He,
I wanna just know about what do you think about Lord Ram, because he also played a very vital role in his life, and he had spent his 14 years in exile. So what do you wanna say about him?
Lord Ram, he is a special type of person, you can say. On
Yeah,
this earth, nobody can be Lord Ram. Okay, because
yeah,
he has sacrificed so many things. His stepmother sent him in forest for
yeah,
14 years, and he
yeah,
stayed that place. After that, he suffered so many things because of
yeah, yeah.
Ravan.
Suffered a lot.
Then
Yeah,
got a war also.
yeah.
After that, he again returned back Ayodhya, but there was something, in the surroundings. So he also, you can say, Mata Sita, he killed, and then Mata Sita again went into the forest. So
Yeah,
he can say Lord Rama suffered a lot.
yeah, yeah.
Yes. So this
And
character always impress of others, but we cannot. You can say it is very difficult to make.
yeah, at this
Yes.
At this time, it is very very difficult for each and every human beings, especially we are living in the Kali Yuga. So I think that this era is nobody will go to the forest or exiles, whether
Yes.
his father or his mother say go there and to do that thing, to do that thing. So I think at this time so nobody will go there.
Yes, he was a also obedient son. Right now,
Yeah,
there
yeah,
are
yeah. He
many
is.
who are
Yeah,
not his
absolutely.
own parent, but he obeyed you can say his stepmother Kekei,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah,
he gave all the things to his little brother Bharat, who was not
yeah,
his
yeah.
real brother.
But at this time, nobody wants to lift or leave any kind of things, especially which things. I have seen many men's and women's in my life and in my village also. They fight with their brothers. They fight with their mothers, sisters, with the small things. you know
Yes.
uh, they know very well that uh, of doing that thing, it will be right, it will be wrong, but they always fight, they always try to create a disturbance, they always try to create dispute among themselves. So uh, at that time Ram played whatever he done in his life. He is absolutely wonderful and great work, but as of now nobody can do like him
Hmm.
at this time.
I agree because it
Yeah,
is very easy to say that Lord Rama character is very good and really it is very
yeah,
powerful
yeah,
character. But in your own life, we can't do this
yeah,
because he is also known as the other name of Chalia.
yeah, yeah. I have heard.
Yes. So I think both roles are very strong characters, but in modern era, I think, mm, in my opinion, Krishna's character right
So,
now is stable for us.
uh, which Lord do you worship? Do you support? Not support. We can say that's worship.
I support most
Lord
of
Ram
them,
or Lord.
but if you want my personal opinion, I really like Lord Krishna.
Yeah, actually. So, have you ever visited in Mathura and you can say that Kas Mathura? Yeah.
No, I never visited.
Okay. So nowadays, let me know what are you doing and what kind of work do you do at your home when you get a chance to, when you free at your home. So what do you do?
Whenever I get time from my household chores, that time I am utilizing my time reading some books and sometimes some English contents.
So for which purpose are you learning this language?
Hmm. Because nowadays it is very compulsory, you can say, and it is a global language. That is the reason
Yeah, yeah, of course.
for learning. What's your reason for learning?
Actually, yeah, the same reason also I have, and no, I want to be an English trainer in my life. By profession, I'm an English teacher. I teach in a private schools. That's why I want to improve my communication skill and I want to enhance my communication and this skill. Especially these skills. And I want to be an English trainer in my future. It is my future plan. So that's why I'm learning day by day. I'm just growing.
Mhm. Lord Rama character is really inspired all of us, but it is very difficult to adapt these qualities in our life because it is
Yeah,
called
of course.
Satyug, and
Yeah,
he
yeah,
in Satyug. I think Satyug or Treta Yug. I don't know. I'm not confirmed
yeah.
because I
I'm also.
four yugs: Satyug, Treta Yug, Dwapar Yug, and in the last Kali Yug.
Yeah, yeah. Kali Yuga is running on.
So if you are like in the character of Ram, then it is very difficult to survive in the society.
Yeah, yeah, of course. People just call Ram, but they don't want to go their his footprints. they only just chanting Ram, 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 Sita, Ram, Sita, Ram. But they don't want to go their footprints, his footprints, and all all kind of obedience. And you can say that this whatever he has done for the society, for his younger brother, no one can do like that in this modern era.
Yes, and there is a special character of Lakshman ji. He is also a
Yeah,
very
yeah, yeah,
good
yeah,
actor.
of course.
Yes, I
So
think
I
in
think
this
that,
era, you can say like Lakshman, there is nobody. I think
yeah, yeah,
he have given
Lakshman
full
and
support of his elder brother.
yeah, what?
I'm saying Lakshman ji and Bharat Shatrughan, they have given full support Lord Rama.
Yeah, yeah,
But in real life, we can't see.
yeah. In real, I think that no, there is no any person right now.
Yes.
People,
Saying Lord
jealous.
Rama is
You
very
know,
strong, but in real
especially
life, we can't adapt these qualities.
yeah, yeah. I have seen that in village side, no people jealous. They are jealous and hate their elder brother, younger brothers due to some reasons. If you're suppose that there are two brothers are living each other in any village, or you can say that together in any village. So one brother is more rich, and the second one is not rich, he's poor. So poor, and you can poor always heads to the rich person, in spite knowing that he is his brother, but he always uh, he always unsupport, you can say that he does not support, and he always hates. So I think that what Lord Ram has done for his brother, for society, for country, no one can
Their
do
brother
at
also,
modern time.
their brother also done for their elder brother.
Yeah, yeah, of course. We have seen that Bharat also played a very important role, in spite getting Raja, or you can say that kingdom. He denied that he will not sit on the, you can say that crown. He will not be a crown, and until his brother came. So I think that his role also very important. People always support and always worship to the Bharat.
Yes. That's why
Yeah,
I'm saying brothers have already done so many things for their elder brother, Sri Ram.
yeah, yeah,
Yes. But when we saw Sri Krishna's character, there are so many things. In a
yeah, yeah,
war, you can say he was very, mm, he has played a very important role. Like when Arjun was totally, you can say, when he saw there are in their surrounding, all are their brothers. Some are their teachers. So he was very, you can say, puzzled. How can I kill them? Then Lord Krishna given him some teachings, and it is written
yeah,
in, you can say, Bhagavad Gita, and it is very
yeah, yeah,
good teachings.
yeah, yeah. So and now the peoples of today's, you can say that especially Hindus peoples are worshipping to the Gitas, and they read to the Gita, and you can say that Bhagavad Puran. Each and wherever our so social worker, or you can say that saint and sage, you can say that sadhu sant goes, and they chant, and you can say that they give speeches and different kinds of devotional and devotees songs. They are always they read Gitas, and they always try to tell to the peoples about Gitas and Bhagavad Gita and Bhagavad Puran. So it is good thing.
And also he shows a true friendship. He
Yeah,
has a
yeah, yeah.
Sudama, and he was a
Rama, yeah,
poor Brahman.
yeah, yeah, yeah. His role was as a friendship was really, really great.
Yes. There are
Yeah.
so many good things in Lord Krishna also.
So that's why people called him. I mean, to say that to the Lord Krishna, people called him uh, perfect man, perfect person. at that time. No, he has 16 qualities.
Yes,
Six
that is
qualities,
called
yeah.
in Hindi 60 16 kalaएं.
So, what kind of specialty and what is special things famous in your side, in your city?
Then
Because I have already visited in Rajasthan, in Jaipur. So I want to know about by you, by in your words. So what kind of things is popular and famous in your side? Please tell me.
Rajasthan is also very famous state in the India. And
Yeah, I
second
know
thing,
very well. Yeah,
Rajasthan, right now Rajasthan is largest state in India.
yeah, 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 yeah,
And Jaipur is also called Pink City. It is capital
yeah, yeah,
city. Every
yeah,
year there are so many foreigners come to visit Jaipur, and there are
yeah,
so many palaces also. Amer
yeah,
Fort, Jantar Mantar, Jal Mahal, Hawa Mahal.
yeah. Hawa Mahal, and it is also called Phoolon ka Shahar. I think.
No, I
I
don't
mean,
know.
Pink City, yeah, Pink City, which means that uh,
Because old Pink City is totally in pink color. That is the reason it is called Pink City.
yeah.
Yes.
So
And if
what
we
kind of
talk about their cuisine, dal bati churma,
yeah, yeah.
ghevar, it is famous.
I visited there, but I asked a persons, please serve me dal bhati churma, but he could not serve because there was he had not a dal bhati churma. So, but I will whenever I will get chance to visit again, I will definitely eat it. It is my I want to definitely eat it because it is very famous and popular dal bhati churma in whole Rajasthan, or you can say that entire Rajasthan. So it would be definitely very delicious.
Yes, it is very delicious. And if we talk about like attire, the attire are very colorful. Like Rajasthani turban are
Yeah, yeah,
famous.
yeah. I know, I know.
Yes, and tie and dye print are also very famous.
So
Yes. Okay, I think we have discussed so many things, Lord Rama, Lord Krishna, and you can say a few things about Jaipur also.
yeah, yeah,
Now I think we should wrap up this session.
yeah. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
okay,
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
okay. Have a nice day. Thanks for calling me. Yeah.